Hey guys, I am not a professional loctician, just sharing ideas that helped me. Do this at your own risk. I'm coming here real quick to show you guys my hair. I'm about to close up a few of my loose ends. Not all of them because that would take forever, but a few of them. Right now, I'm just pulling out my hair in various places to show you guys the ends. I'm not going to concentrate on every single lock because some of them are looking pretty good, like this one. However, the ones that need a little help, I am going to assist along the way. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my hair, even previously when I tried to lock, always gives me problems primarily in the front with those ends unraveling. I've twisted them, I've tightened them, I've done everything and they still unravel. I braid and band, so that's not an issue. So here's one that's a good one to show you. Right now I'm using my 0.35 millimeter crochet needle that I purchased from Brambleroots.com when I was trying to lock previously and I had extensions. I'm only focusing on the front of my hair. I tried to find other videos where someone with Sisterlocks or Tinylocks, Microlocs, where they used a small crochet tool to close their locks up, and I really couldn't find one. So since I was going to do this and it's so time consuming, I just pulled out my camera and said, why not record it so that I could go back and look, and also so that if it helps anyone else. Mind you, as I said in the beginning, I am not a loctician. I am not a professional locker. I am none of those things. And this is something that I would only do with my hair because if I mess it up, I have no one to be mad at but myself. And for me, I've always taken risks with my hair. Some have been good, some have been not so good. But I always like to try. And if I get it right, great. If I get it wrong, then I know next time. I keep in mind it's hair and hope it grows back. I sped up the time because this is very time consuming. Here I'm slowing the time down so that you can see a little bit better how I'm turning the lock as I'm pulling the crochet tool in and out. The biggest thing that I would say I didn't want to do was go into a section over and over because you can break your hair. You can damage your hair. That's so important to be very, very careful if you decide to do this, and you can thin it. I will also say I think it's important to know how to use this crochet needle because it's so small. Another reason why I decided to do this was because I did not want two separate types of textures. I didn't want the curly ends. I want my hair completely locked. Also for me, my curly ends are starting to thicken and turn fat, and I'm going to give you an example of that in a few. So here I'm just going to show you guys the completed lock. I did a quick once over, hit the spots that I felt needed to be closed in a little bit more. I didn't want my locks, any of them, to be densely compact, so I didn't overdo it. I just went in to refine it. I'm going to finish. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Here's one of the fatter curly ends that I spoke about earlier that is expanding. I'm going to touch those up a bit and hopefully they will become more uniform. And here is a side-by-side of my hair from the beginning and to where I am now. It's not too drastic. I couldn't do each and every one. It would have taken forever. I might go in and do a couple more later, but I'm quite pleased. Thanks for watching.